Hello, everyone. Welcome to Anatech, where we make technology simple and easy to understand. So, if you are new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech tutorials. In today's video, we will dive into the basics of Microsoft Word. So one of the most widely used word processing applications. We will explore its brief history and its main parts so you can navigate it easily before we start working on documents in the next video. So let's get started. Microsoft Word, or simply MS Word, was first released in 1983 by Microsoft. It was originally created for Linux, an older operating system, before being introduced to MS-DOS and later to Windows and Mac. Over the years, Microsoft Word has evolved with many features that make creating and editing documents easier. Today, it is a powerful tool used in offices, schools, and even for personal projects. Now, let's take a look at the main parts of Microsoft Word and their functions. Title bar. This is located at the very top of the window. It displays the name of your document and the software you are using. So as you can see, the name displayed here is Documents by default po. Lalo na kung hindi pa na-save ang file na ginagawa mo. Quick Access Toolbar. This small toolbar lets you quickly access commonly used commands like save, undo, and redo. You can customize it to add more shortcuts. In my next video po, ipapakita ko kung paano gawin ang quick access toolbar. Ribbon and tabs. The ribbon contains different tabs such as Home, Insert, Layout, and more. Each tab has a set of tools that help you format and edit your document. So the active tab or open tab here is Home tab. Under this tab, ang mga tools ay ang Paragraph, Styles, Adobe Acrobat, Voice, Sensitivity, Editor, Add-ins, Clipboard, and Font. Document Area Workspace. This is where you type and edit your text. It's the main working space of Microsoft Word. Ruler. As you can see, there is no existing ruler here. To activate it, open lang ang view to, then check the ruler tool. Here it is now. The horizontal and vertical rulers help you adjust margins, indents, and table positions. So, tulad po niyan na nasa nakikita ninyo. Status bar. Located at the bottom. The status bar shows useful information like page number, word count, and zoom settings. Scroll bar. This allows you to move up and down. And that's it. Now you know a bit about Microsoft Word's history and its parts. In the next video, we'll dive deeper into how to actually use these tools to create and edit documents. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you won't miss it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.